Watch yourself, George. You threw down a hot take on the new Tudor releases. That's not a hot take, mate. This is a hot take. Strap yourself in. This is going to get fresh. Hi, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Phil. I'm the Ordinary Watch Guy. I'm perfectly ordinary, but the watches are always special. So, okay guys, I just want us to have a little fun here. No offense to any Rolex mega fans out there who are queuing up to buy the new Land Dweller. I know there are Land Dwellers out there, but some of the responses from the watch community have been hilarious. For what it's worth, I think that there is a bit too much groupthink in the watch sphere generally, and you can predict that if a big watch house like Rolex or Patek come up with something innovative and new, they are going to get it wrong and they're going to face criticism in the eyes of the watch community collectively. But they also get criticised for keeping it too safe as well. That being said, Cubitus does look like a poor homage to the Cartier Santos. But oh boy, if you thought the reception to Cubitus was bad, check out some of the responses to the Land Dweller. Rolex have gone all in on their new watch, and the commitment is full, fronting their promotions with two of their biggest endorsees, Roger Federer and Jenny L. I'm kidding, Yuja Wang. It seems from watching the promotional video that the Land Dweller has helped Roger Federer to become some type of New York architect slash project manager. And I mean, kudos to Roger. That's exactly the move that I'd make after a disappointing career in tennis. And Yuja Wang has been cured of a respiratory problem since wearing her new Land Dweller. There's a whole story in this video. Yuja leaving her high-priced doctor, feeling disappointed that her nose is still blocked, but she puts on her new Rolex and plays the piano for a bit, and then she can breathe. It's a great story. It's a really great story. Anyhow, the new Land Dweller comes with a flat integrated Jubilee bracelet. It's a very angular, highly polished watch. The 40mm in white gold and oyster steel will cost you 13,050 quid if you can get your hands on one at retail, and that's rising to 54,600 pounds if you want to grab the version that's in platinum, unless of course you live in America, in which case Donald Trump has just cost you something like an extra 10 to 30% or something ridiculous. Well done, Donald. I have some of the best policies. It has a distinctive honeycomb dial with a simple date complication. Bracelet is 5-link Jubilee without the much admired Rolex Oyster Lock clasp. So instead it has a discreet clasp that doesn't offer on the fly, but opts instead for kind of elegance and style presentation instead. Rolex are presenting the Caliber 7135, which they claim as a significant innovation, offering, and I quote, extraordinary performance. It's mainly a silicon build in what they call the Dynapulse escapement, helping Rolex to catch up on the work that Omega have been doing for quite a long time now on anti-magnetic watches. You get a 5 Hz frequency, which is a high beat, 36,000 movement, and it still delivers a more than acceptable 66 hours of power reserve. Are people happy? Are people happy? No. Poor old Rolex have been bombarded with criticism across internet forums. And some are funny and some are just brutal. Nothing 7717 quips. It's like they invited Homer Simpson to design this thing after he was done designing that ridiculous car. SBTC_strays_2002 offers, I'm gonna lie, it's breathtaking. Airport number 2434 chimes in. Looking at these abominations hurts my eyes.
Stop! He's already dead.
Gravitas of Mavity suggests it's like a geometry text that vomited up a wristwatch. We thank Sigmund05 for his contribution to the pylon. I have to give Rolex props. They're trying to out Cubitus Patek with their own ugly design. iCats 116. I was 50-50. Props to the guy for admitting that. But now seeing it on a human arm, it's a hard pass. Sedotum offers us, shit looks like a Cybertruck. Oh, the dude is just grabbing the zeitgeist with that criticism. Stingray62 thought it was an April Fool's joke. I think the winner is My Big Pecker, who drew an unflattering comparison to the more affordable Tissot PRX. He, and I'm going to go with he because I think the My Big Pecker is a dick thing or they keep woodpeckers, came out with his absolute atom bomb. This is just some gaudy dystopian sci-fi disco coke dealer trash. Oh wow. Oh, imagine you're the key project designer. Imagine you're the key project designer over at Rolex, and this is what you're getting for your best efforts. Let's be honest, this watch has made Cubitus look like it received a warm welcome into the world, and I'm waiting for Jean-Frédéric Dufour, the chief executive of Rolex, to come out and say something breathtakingly offensive any day now. The beggar cannot be the chooser. You are not getting the call. I hate poor people. Not Jean-Frédéric Dufour. So what's the upshot of all this? Well, there's two or three ways. There's two or three ways here, guys. Either this watch is the new Paul Newman Daytona and you should buy one and sit on it for about 40 or 50 years before it becomes worth a few million in mint condition with box and papers. And let's face it, that's really what Rolex ownership is all about. Or maybe you should go out now and buy up an original oyster quartz from the late 60s because maybe those things are about to go and skyrocket in value off the back of this abomination. Or finally, if you like to wear Rolex in London, Barcelona or Rome, those type of places, but you're worried about robberies, wear a Land Dweller and the watch thieves will throw up as they're repulsed by your anti-theft measures that make Hublot look desirable. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you've had fun with it. Click to subscribe to help me grow this channel that's about to get cancelled. Hit like to feed the algorithm for me. I'll be back soon with some more fresh content. But in the meanwhile, hit my previous videos for some more high quality watch chat. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.